Welcome back to our Nuxeo University course on Content Type Model. In this video, we will present the concept of document lifecycle and learn how to create and attach a lifecycle to a document type. A lifecycle is functionality you configure to define a list of states your document can go through. For each state, you can also set up transitions to specify how your document will evolve. Every document type may have a specific lifecycle in Nuxeo platform. In this video, we will set up a lifecycle for a claimed document type that was previously created. As opposed to regular document properties that accept any value at any time, a lifecycle is made to be restricted in order to enforce your policies. Note that a lifecycle is not a workflow. A workflow can interact with the document's lifecycle to change its state when appropriate, yet they still remain completely independent from each other. The document state can be changed using business logic calls from various functionalities, not just workflows. To create a lifecycle in Nuxeo Studio, go to the Content Model Lifecycles menu. Press the New button and name it to continue. Your lifecycle will be designed in the grid you now see. First, click on the Initial State button and click once more anywhere in the grid to place it. Now hover on the state and press the pencil icon to name it. We will call it Draft in this case. From there, you can add as many additional states as necessary. Place them, name them, and move them around as you like. These states need to be linked together to turn our random list of states into a real lifecycle. These links are called transitions. To add a transition, hover on a state you want a document to transition from and press the arrow icon. Then click on the state you want to allow the document to go to from there. That's it. Notice how in this case, a claim needs to pass through the review state before being approved. It would be functionally and technically impossible to skip the review state and switch from the new to approved directly, as no transition is defined which allows it. You can now save the lifecycle. When doing so, the transitions will be named automatically by filing a naming convention. It is highly recommended to leave it that way. It helps in keeping a consistent configuration and in automating your business logic as well. Our last step is to apply this lifecycle to our claimed document type. To do so, go back to the Claimed Document Type Definition tab. Then replace the default lifecycle with the one we built, and save. Finally, deploy your configuration. Any claim created from now on will have this new lifecycle applied to it. Notice, however, that any contract created before this change will still keep the lifecycle that was previously assigned to the document type. In this case, the default lifecycle.